We're here at the train station here in Florence, or Firenze if you're nasty, and today we're going to show you how to take the train from Florence to Siena. The train station here is in the middle of town. You can get here by car, you can take the bus, you can get here by taxi, by tram, by... what's the other thing? You can get here by taxi, by tram, by bus, or by your legs. So you could buy your tickets on one of these big Lieti stations. We haven't found the small Lieti stations yet, and they have all sorts of different languages. So we speak English, kind of.
Beware of pickpockets. In case of need, ask only Trenitalia staff for more information.
Buy your tickets. We are going to Siena. Siena. We're going one way, and we want to. There's two of us. Continue. And there you go. We actually bought our tickets 2 days ago because today is the day after Easter and we wanted to make sure that we would have tickets. But looking now, we obviously could have bought them right now for our journey in about 30 minutes. It might be a good idea to buy your tickets ahead of time, but for us, we could have bought them right now and still been able to make our journey. If you're not ready for the inevitable machine takeover, you can go to one of the ticket offices here and talk to a person to get your ticket. In the main hall, there's a big-ass sign that shows all the train departures where you can find which platform you need to go to. There are lots of shops inside the train stations in case you need a snack or a last-minute souvenir. If you did not pick up a Leaning Tower Pisa figurine or a David in bright pink, don't worry. There are plenty of places inside the station we can get a coffee, a panini, any sort of train snacks you might need. There's even a Sephora. And there's a pharmacy in case you have a headache. There's even an entire shopping mall underneath the train station. It's a whole mall. There are toilets here, but it costs €1 to use the bathroom. So, as always, pee before you go anywhere. If you want to store your bags before or after your time in Florence, you can store your bags here at this baggage storage joint right outside of the station. And if you're tired of the itty-bitty Italian espresso committee, you can get a 12-ounce coffee joint here and go nuts. As you can see, it's very crowded, so get here at least half an hour before your journey. According to the big sign in the sky, we got to go to platform 3, so let's find out where that is. So it looks like platform 3 is over that way, so we're going to head over there now with our tickets. Platform 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are tucked away in the corner in the back, so you got to walk in and know where you're going. You need to validate your ticket before you can get on the train, which you do on one of these green machines, and hopefully this works. Okay. All right, so now we got a fun little stamp at the bottom. I think we're good. Okay, bye. Let's head up further so we can sit together. We're running out of train. It's free seating, so find a spot wherever you can. We got lucky and found 2 seats together. Once you get into Siena, you can grab a taxi into town. We hope you found this video useful and you have a great time in Siena. If you want to see more of our Italy content, check out this playlist right here. Ooh. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Ah, yes. The bells of 10:13.